In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new folder in Outlook. If you want to keep your inbox organized and make it easier to find important messages later, creating folders in Outlook is a very simple and useful step. This can help you separate work emails, personal messages, receipts, projects, or any other category you want to manage more neatly. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you are in the Mail section. This is where you can see your inbox and all of your email-related folders. Once you are there, look toward the folder list area. Near your existing folders, you should see a three-dot menu. Go ahead and click that menu to open more options. From the list that appears, choose the option to create a folder. This will open a small prompt or entry field where you can type the name of your new folder. When naming your folder, try to use something clear and easy to recognize, so it is simple to know what kind of emails belong there. For example, you might name it after a project, a type of message, or a general topic you want to keep separate from the rest of your inbox. After you enter the folder name, save it. Once you do that, your new folder will appear in the folder list in Outlook. At this point, the folder is ready to use right away. Now that the folder has been created, you can start organizing your emails by dragging and dropping messages into it. Just click on an email, hold it, and move it over to your new folder, then release it. This is one of the fastest ways to sort your inbox manually, especially if you are cleaning up older messages or grouping related emails together. If you plan to use folders often, it is a good idea to create names that are short but specific. That makes your mailbox easier to scan and helps you stay organized over time. You can also move multiple emails one by one as needed, depending on how you want to arrange your messages. And that's it. Opening Outlook, going to Mail, clicking the three dots, selecting Create Folder, entering a folder name, saving it, and then dragging emails into that folder is all you need to do. Once you start using folders regularly, managing your inbox becomes much quicker and less stressful.